Hey guys, welcome to Lingo Marina. Today I'm going to teach you how to get use of overused words in English. When we all start to learn a language, we started with a very basic set of words like really, important, like, and all those. And as we evolve with our language, we continue using them over and over again. And this makes our speech boring.
Boring?
So today, when we all start to learn a language, we started with a very basic set of words like really, important, like, and all those. And as we evolve with our language, we continue using them over and over again. And this makes our speech boring.
Boring?
So today we're going to dig into your speech, we're going to identify those overused words, and I'm going to give you alternatives so you can sound more like a native speaker and make your speech more diversified. So if you're interested, continue watching this video. This video is brought to you by Playback.